Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be a luxury haul. So these are just items that I picked up along my journey of investing in luxury pieces. Some of them are pre-loved. So yeah. First with Louis Vuitton, because that's like my favorite brand, not gonna lie. I have this Louis Vuitton scarf. I'm gonna list all the details on the screen because I do not know these items names by the top of my head. So at first, look how beautiful this scarf is. Like, this was a gift to me from my boyfriend. We actually got this on our anniversary and I just love the detailing. It has like a purse on it. If you guys can hear anything blowing, it's my heater because I'm actually cold. But the deets on this, it has gold, blue, red, and black on it. So I just love how this looks. And I tie this around my head on like a beach day. And I wore it around my neck one time, but I actually want to, like, you know, do different styles with this scarf. I love how big it is. The pricing was around, I don't remember actually. So when I find the pricing, I'll leave it on the screen. A next item is a bandeau, and it is so cute. I got this actually to go to Miami, and I actually didn't wear it to Miami. I brought it but didn't wear it because I didn't wear the dress that I was gonna pair it with. But I love the color. It just reminds me of summer, so I'll definitely be wearing this in the summer. It has a teal turquoise print alongside with an orange background. So I just love it. It's so cute. It's very colorful. And normally I do not wear colorful items, but I want to, you know, branch out and try something new. The next item is this other bandeau. This is cute. It's not as colorful and bright as the previous one, but I do like the coloring. It's like a burgundy color. It has a cheetah on it. It has the Louis Vuitton suitcases. It has some greenery on it, and a monkey and a lion at the bottom, or a tiger. This is cute. And then inside is the regular monogram for Louis Vuitton. This is like my favorite. This is my favorite part. Like, this is nice, but I also love the inside of this as well. This was my second bandeau that I ever purchased. I got this in 2018, I think, and I love it. It's hot pink. I wore it about twice, one time or twice, I don't know, but I definitely need to bring this out for this summer. It's very cute. Let me show you guys. So it's like, it has a chain print on it, and then it has the monogram on the inside with some polka dots. It's very cute. I'm gonna show you my first ever bandeau, and this is the black, white, and gold one. And I love wearing this as a headband. I actually need to get these dry cleaned because these are dirty. And I got this in 2018 as well, so this is about 2.5 years old. But this is like my holy grail. Like, I love wearing this one as a headband. I have about 3 other Louis Vuitton items that I want to display. I have this bracelet. You guys probably can't see it, but it looks like this. It has a little gold tassel. It has a little gold Louis Vuitton purse, and then it's a leather monogram print Louis Vuitton. This was another anniversary gift that I got. It's so cute, but I barely wear this one. Wow, my string was hanging out. Let me fix that. Okay, so these are my pre-loved items. This Louis Vuitton was my first Louis Vuitton purse, and this is the Speedy Bag. I think 30 inches. I don't know, actually. I don't remember the diagram or the measurements of this bag, But this was like my go-to. I would wear this bag all the time. This was also another gift. I think it was a birthday gift or a, I don't know, birthday or anniversary gift. But we got this from a high-end consignment shop, and I would never get rid of this bag. This bag is so cute. I actually think it's a vintage bag. I don't know from what year at all, but this is my old, but you know, I'm still gonna wear it. Then I have another pre-loved bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Papillon bag. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. But this is so cute. Like, I love wearing this bag. I love the shape of it. I just love, I don't know. It reminds me of, I don't know what it reminds me of. But the shape of it is so cute and unique. I've seen a smaller version of this and I really want to get my hands on that. But this is the bag that I have so far. And I just got this as a gift to myself. So you would definitely be seeing me wearing this a lot. So the last Louis Vuitton item that I have, I think, are, no, I don't know if I have another one, but I have this scarf and it's to die for, but it's very delicate because the sales lady was like, you have to be careful not to like have anything tug on this scarf because it will start to fall apart, which I'm not a fan of because I hate being gentle and delicate with my items. I don't know, I'm just very rough. But this is what it looks like. I got this as a gift again. The inside is even cuter. I just haven't worn the inside pattern. I don't know, it's cute, but it's like so shiny, like you have to pull it off very well. This is so cute, and plus I live in Massachusetts, so it's very needed for a scarf. I don't wear it all the time. As I stated before, you have to be very delicate, so I want to keep it in good condition just in case I want to resell it or something like that. I just picked up this Hermes vintage scarf. Look how beautiful this is. This is, I think, a Kenyan scarf from the 19... What year is this scarf from?
I picked it out.
What year is this scarf from?
I think 70 something.
72, I think.
Yeah,
I'm not sure, but I'll put the specific details on the screen. But this is
by, a specific design, I guess. Hermes, when they do pieces like that, they only select like 20 stylists out of the year.
But this is cute. I got this from a consignment shop in Miami, and like that's my go-to place now because the owner was so nice. And oh, so the scarf is Hermes Perles du Kenya. So this is what it looks like. I can't wait to wear this. I need to find like a great outfit to wear this with. But I think the year was, I don't know. I would definitely put the details on the screen, but I love like just everything about the scarf. Like, it's out of all my scarves, this is it. And this is my first Hermes piece. So now I feel like every time I travel, I just want to, you know, find luxury pieces, either like through secondhand or the actual store. And the last two pieces that I have, a couple of weeks ago, and they are probably dirty because I dirtied my shoes up so fast. Yeah, they're dirty a little bit, but these are the Christian Dior sneakers. They're not as comfortable as I thought they would be at all. Actually, the back of the shoe scraped my skin off on my heel, and that was so uncomfortable. But they're cute. I just don't advise like walking in them for a long time if they are uncomfortable for you. They were just a little uncomfortable for me. But overall, I love these sneakers. I have big feet, so that's why they look so large. The bottom is not that dirty. I lied. Oh yeah, so I spilled salsa on my shoe. That's what it was. These shoes were $1,000, I think. Yeah, I think they were $1,000. I'm not sure. My last item. I typically do not keep my shoes in the dust bag, but my boyfriend is very anal about preserving shoes and stuff, so it's not me. Now with stuff dropping in my room, that's scary. But I have these Balenciaga shoes. These are so comfortable. They're so cute. I love that it says Balenciaga on the bottom. I don't remember how much I paid for them. I think they were like 8 something. I'm not sure. I got these in a size 41. They're so cute. Like, they're so cute. I got these in California, and I feel like these were the best purchase that I've made when I first got them. The only thing is, I wanted the red one, but they didn't have my size in the red one. Like, the red one would have been so fire. But the only thing is, the fur kind of like sheds a little bit. Like, there's a little feather. It's feather, actually. It's not even fur. But it sheds a little bit, so you gotta be careful. I feel like it's very delicate. So I don't wear them as often, but once you step out with these, that's it. Like, you feel like that girl with these on. Because that's what I be feeling like. I be feeling like that girl. I would suggest putting, what you call it? Some grip under here, because it's very smooth. And when I first wore them, I felt like I was slipping and was gonna fall and break my neck. But I didn't. Because after a while, like, it started getting weird. It started getting grip from like the concrete and stuff like that, but I still would additionally add in some grip to the bottom of my shoe just so I can have more support. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, leave a black heart down below and comment down below what is your favorite luxury purchase, whether it's secondhand or, you know, you got it straight from the store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.